Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you a home decor haul. A few videos ago I shared that I'm in the process of redoing my living room, and so I picked up some things for that project and I'm going to share those with you, as well as a few other things that I purchased for the home that I'm going to be sharing. So if you'd like to see what that's all about, then just keep watching. All right, so I think I'm gonna start with the things that I bought for other parts of the home. And so the first thing is this, and this is just a paper towel holder. It is made of black marble. Purchased this off of Amazon and it comes in pieces, so you just kind of put it together. But I thought it just really gave the kitchen a good look. So I picked this one up, and then also, this is so heavy, I picked up a marble stand here that I'm actually going to use for a fruit bowl. Both of these are on Amazon, so I'm going to be linking the information for them in my description box below. But I just thought this was really nice to have your fruit on display. I always have my fruit out recently, so that's just something to make it look nice, and it is a set. So then I picked up this little bowl here, and this is from Ross. It was $7.99, and I picked this up actually at the recommendation of my sister. She came over and saw one of my plants that I had on a stand, and the stand was black and the pot was black, and she said, you need something to kind of break that up. So I bought this to just set the pot down in. I'll give you a look of that, but I just thought it really did elevate the look. So thanks for the recommendation, Michelle. I really did like the recommendation, and I like the way it looks. Then I picked up this candle holder, and what I like about this is it just kind of levels up the look of any candle that you have. This was $7.99 from Homegoods, and it's just kind of, when you put a candle down in there, it kind of flickers because it's like that mercury glass, but it fits perfectly like a candle from Aldi or Bed Bath & Beyond. So you just sit it down in there, and it just kind of makes it look like a much more expensive candle. So I like that. And this can go anywhere in the home, you know, move it around, kitchen, bathroom, living room, whatever. So I like that. Then I picked up this little cutie here. I love this so much. This is a mini ginger jar with the cutouts in it. And this was $16.99 from HomeGoods. And you could actually put a candle in here as well. I probably won't use it that way, but I thought it was really, really cute just to put on a shelf or whatever. I wish it was in gold, but you know, I thought it was cute, and for the price, you couldn't beat it. And I actually used a gift card from Fetch. If you're not familiar with Fetch, it's when you can scan all of your grocery store receipts and then you earn gift cards. So I earned a gift card, so I was able to get that through that program. Now we're moving into the items that I purchased for the living room. I have been on the hunt for the perfect pampas grass, and this really isn't what I had in mind. However, I love this look. It's kind of that oak color. But I purchased these. They have the very long stems, and I got this on clearance at Gallerie.com. And it was pretty good, substantial amount, but I can see this probably for the fall in a large vase on the floor. But I really do love the pampas grass, but in my area it's hard to find at the stores. But that's what I got. The regular price was $15.95 per item, and I want to say I paid $24 for all of them, something like that. You know, with Gallerie, you order stuff and it comes it takes so long for it to come, you forget what you got. Well, I forgot about this. This is a magnolia leaf wreath. I actually got this for the kitchen pantry, and I've had it for a little while, but I realized that I had never hauled it. But I have been wanting this. I love magnolias. And so I went to Hobby Lobby. You know how Hobby Lobby has 50% off items every week, whatever it is. So I waited for it to be on the 50% off, and I just went ahead and bit the bullet because I've been wanting one for a very long time. But I just love the leaves on this, and I just thought it was so pretty hanging on the pantry door. As I said, I am really into marble, and I have been wanting these as well. These are like the chain links. These are marble, and I got these from Decor, and these would look nice like sitting on a coffee table, on top of a coffee table book, or just on a shelf by itself or whatever. But I just thought these were so nice. I just love them, and they're extremely heavy because they are marble, but I like these. So I will be styling these in my living room. Then, let's go on to the lighter stuff. So I purchased, and this is actually a pillow cover. Pillow covers are much cheaper. I got this off of Amazon. These are the colors that I'm going with for my living room. I'm going with a more modern look, so I thought that this was perfect. I really could have used a larger cushion, so I'll probably put another one in there or whatever. But this is what I bought, and then I just used the down field insert so that I'm able to give it that chop. But this is what it looks like. I thought this was so pretty. So that I have. This pillow here I got for $5.99 from Ashley Furniture when they had their 90% off sale. I got there really late, but I was able to get a pillow that matched with my color scheme, and it has a nice down insert in it as well, and so I picked that up. Also, $5.99 for this pillow. I could not believe it. I'm very, very happy about that. Now I'm gonna have to lift you up and put you over here because the next couple items are very heavy. All right, I hope that you can see this. These are my pictures that are gonna go up on the wall. The plastic is still on them because I didn't want them to get damaged before they get hung. But this is an abstract, 2 abstract paintings that are in my color scheme that I'm going with. And so this piece here up there. So that will be moving to another part of my home. And these pictures will be going up there. And then I've already picked up my rugs that are going to be going in this space, but I'm not going to be putting them down for a little while yet, because if you've been watching my channel, you know that my grandchildren are living with me temporarily while they wait for their home to be built. So once they move in, then I will be putting out my new rugs, because my ones that are down now are pretty much done, as you can imagine, with 2 toddlers in the house. And so this is a peek at what the rug looks like. And as you can see, it does blend nicely with my pictures that'll be going on the wall. I just love the abstract look. This is from Overstock. The pictures are also from Overstock. And this is by Newberry Collection. And it is a gray. This is the 5x7. This will be going under my dining table. And then I got a larger one for the living room. But it's the same design. Now I forgot to show these too, and these are going over the pillows on the wall. These are actually lights that get hung over the pictures to illuminate light over your pictures. And they come with a remote control like this, so that you can just create ambiance in your home in the evening time. If you just want a little bit of illumination, you can put this over your lights, and they come in all different colors. But this was really an inspiration from Restoration Hardware. If you go into their galleries, you always see the picture lights over them, and so I just really love that look. So I will be incorporating that. I don't know how this was folded down in here, and I don't want to break it, but these will be hung over my pictures. This item here is a table that I ordered off of Overstock. It's the Camden table. Good dupe for the restoration table like this, but it's a little bit too big for what I wanted to use it for. I just wanted something really small, like a martini table, to fit like right near the chair or the sofa. but I do like it, and it was a good price, so I did decide to keep it. But I am still on the hunt for an actual martini table, and I will make it if I can find the right things to make it. I'll insert a picture to show what I'm talking about. So in my last video, I had mentioned that I would be getting rid of my existing fireplace console that I have. It is a farmhouse style with the barnyard doors, so I wanted to upgrade it. So I purchased this one off of Overstock, and this is the time to purchase off of Overstock, by the way, because it's at the end of the winter season and they are on a very nice sales. So I got this particular console here that I love. It's just a little bit more updated. Looks very similar in a way, but it is more updated and more to my aesthetic that I'm changing to. So that's all I have for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just want to mention that anything that I mentioned that I purchased off of Amazon will be linked in the description box below. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you over here on my next video, where I'll be showing the progression of designing everything and putting everything together for my new living room look. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.